Hey guys, Richard Holdner here. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Speed Secrets. This episode is brought to you by the cam experts over at Comp Cams, and it's all about that 3/4 race cam. Actually, that's not true. It's about running a cam swap on 3/4 of a small block Chevy. So what do we mean? Well, 3/4 of a small block Chevy is actually a 4.3 liter V6. So with so many of them out there, we wanted to find out how well they responded to a cam swap. After that, we're going to run some boost. To get things started, we rebuilt the 4.3 liter V6. Now it's important to note that this was a later balance shaft version of the motor. Now that's not a problem because Comp offers cams both for the balance shaft and non-balance shaft versions of the motor. It's also important to note this motor originally came fuel injected, but for the dyno tests, we replaced the fuel injection with simple carburetor. Now we ran a 4-barrel carb, 4-barrel manifold, and a distributor. So let's get that V6 up on the dyno, run it stock, then swap the cam. We rebuilt the V6, including new valve springs. Run first with the stock cam. Now that we've run the 4.3 liter V6, it's time to swap that cam. This was a balance shaft motor. We installed the new cam. Some impressive power gains. Okay guys, as you can see from the graph, the cam swap offered some serious power gains. I mean, the peak numbers went from 207 horsepower all the way up to 251 horsepower. That's a gain of 44 horsepower. And peak torque was up too, by 11 foot-pounds. I mean, those are some great gains. So you're probably thinking, hey, those guys have to be satisfied with that, right? And we are. But you know what? We want just a little bit more. And to find a little bit more, we're going to add boost. So we installed the supercharger, equipped with a blow-off valve. Check out those gains. Okay guys, results are in, and as you can see, the cam and supercharger improved the power output dramatically. I mean, a cam is worth an extra 44 horsepower. Adding boost on top of that increased it by more than 200. I mean, that's a serious combination. And it just goes to show you what you can get when you start with a 4.3 liter V6 with the right cam and add a little boost. I'm Richard Holdner. That's all the time I have. I want to thank the guys at Comp Cams. Join me next time on Speed Secrets.